This Jet 18-inch drum sander pairs a strong 1 3/4 horsepower motor with a solid open stand, making it feel very stable and capable in a small shop. The variable speed conveyor lets you dial in a gentle or aggressive feed rate so you can handle everything from light finish passes to heavier thicknessing without burning the stock. Its overload protection system that constantly watches the drum load is genuinely useful, automatically backing off when you push it too hard instead of tripping breakers or stalling. The precision machined aluminum drum runs smoothly and sheds heat well, which helps the abrasive last longer and keeps surfaces flatter across wide panels. Dust collection is impressively effective thanks to the shaped hood that closely follows the drum and funnels debris straight into a large dust port. The stand footprint, storage shelf, and quick no-tool bed parallelism adjustment make the machine convenient to live with and easy to keep accurately tuned.